I'm gonna bake together with my daughter. So, my daughter, where are you, my daughter? Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm here in the kitchen. So you know what's going on. It's cooking time. Yes guys, today we're going to cook. We're going to bake. My husband requested us, me and my daughter, to bake a cookies, which is his favorite cookies, raisin cookies and peanut butter cookies. But I can't share the ingredients to you guys because we already bought a cookie mix. It's in a bag, so we're just gonna show you how to do it. So it's gonna be a mother and daughter bonding for today, and it's gonna be fun. I hope you like it, guys. So I'm sorry for how I look today, but this is me, guys. This is how I look every day in our house. I don't make any arte to myself. Hindi po ako mahilig mag-inarte. And just like what they said, be humble to yourself. Don't make any arte and everything. As long as you're happy, and ganun lang po. So, I just want to introduce my daughter to you. Come here. So, this is my daughter. Her name is Chloe. Say hi to them. Welcome to our channel. Say welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
So, for today's video, guys, we're going to bake cookies. She loves baking. She wants to bake so bad, but sometimes I don't allow her to bake. Because, you know, she's too young for me. She's only 9 years old. But, anyway, let's get started, guys, and watch this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So this is all the 3 ingredients, guys. So I just said we already bought a cookie mix, which is peanut butter cookies. And then all we need is 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 2 eggs. So let's do it. First, we have to preheat the oven for 375. So, okay.
A few moments later.
So for the second cookies, we need cookie mix, this butterscotch, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of water, and a softened butter. Hey guys, thanks for watching for our video. We're done cooking and it's already nighttime here. Don't forget to thumbs up guys to my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel.